Kenyans being very innovative, and apparently if now you'd want to buy a condom, let your phone do the walking. They've come up with an app where you can order it just for those who possibly feel too embarrassed to do it over the counter. Kenyans being ingenious, well, and I guess there must be a market for that, for them to come up with that device.
Obviously,
or that
but
app.
with the percentage of teenage pregnancies that we saw, there is a huge market for them. With the number of hotels and lodgings and things like that in Nairobi, there is a market for them. With the amount of reports of cheating and things like that, of course there is a market for them. And I personally think it's a good idea to give access to condoms. Why? Because just because someone is making a mistake, it does not mean that we should not shield them from the consequences of their mistake, which is something that a lot of people, especially in conservative thinking Kenya, have a problem with. I remember when we were in campus, it was more likely that a girl in CU would get pregnant than a girl outside CU, because the girl outside CU was afraid to go get morning after pills, was afraid to be known to be on the pill, and the boyfriend was afraid to buy condoms. So if they were tempted, then they did not have a way of protecting themselves. But the guys on the outside could go buy condoms. The girls could go getting morning after pills. And back in the day, if you were pregnant, it was very hard for you to continue your studies. So we need to evolve to a point where we accept that Kenya is a society that is having sex. I don't know which world society is not, but Kenya is a society that is having sex. And we need to stop burying our heads in the sand and realize that sex is a natural occurrence in life. And if we doubt it was natural, 100% of us are here because of sex.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Well, very boldly put right there.